Experiencing issues with your Xumo remote? Don't worry, many problems can be easily fixed. This video will guide you through common issues like unresponsive buttons, pairing failures, and battery problems. We'll cover essential troubleshooting steps, including resetting, repairing, and battery replacement. Xumo remotes use either IR infrared for older models requiring line of sight, or Bluetooth for newer models offering wireless control. Knowing which type you have is the first step to solving the problem. Here are the main troubleshooting steps we'll cover. Let's get started. Let's dive into the fixes. First, for a simple reset, remove the batteries from your Xumo remote for 30 seconds, then reinsert them while holding the power button. This clears minor glitches. If that doesn't work, try repairing. Put your Xumo box into pairing mode via the Settings menu, usually under Devices or Bluetooth. Then, press and hold the pairing button on your remote, often a Bluetooth symbol, until the light flashes. Keep the remote close to the box during this process. Finally, if your remote is lagging or not responding, replace the batteries. Most Xumo remotes use 2 AA batteries. If problems persist, consider using the Xumo app as a virtual remote, which can help determine if the issue is with the physical remote itself.